Hello, I'm Chief Judge Bruce White of the Fairfax Circuit Court. I welcome you to the Fairfax County Judicial Complex. Part of our mission today is to offer you an accessible, professional, and comfortable and safe place for the administration of justice. We allow you to bring handheld and other personal electronics into this building for limited use and limited purposes. Cell phones, iPhones, tablets, and other personal computing devices are allowed into the building, and we offer wireless internet access in our public corridors and dining spaces so that you can stay connected while doing your business here at the court. We allow cell phones inside the complex because we recognize that our society increasingly relies on such technology to enable the public to be in frequent contact with personal and business contacts. And frankly, we want you to have a good experience here at Fairfax Circuit Court. The use of modern technology in the court complex is subject to rules and restrictions. You are prohibited from taking any photographs or videos in the complex without a court order from the presiding judge. Taking wedding pictures in the outdoor courtyard are permissible under certain circumstances. The taking of an unauthorized photograph or video is contempt of a court order and could result in the seizure of your phone or even imprisonment. The use of your personal electronics inside any courtroom without the expressed and explicit permission from the presiding judge is strictly prohibited. We require that you step outside of the courtroom if you need to take or make any call of any nature unless you have the judge's permission to make the call from within the courtroom. Finally, we all have a role to play in keeping this courthouse a professional, comfortable, and safe complex. So if you see anyone taking a photo or videotaping inside this building, please alert the Sheriff's Department or any of the other courthouse employees. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day here at the Fairfax Judicial Complex.